students, welcome to the physics class. And continuation to last class, we are going to discuss about wave nature of matter. हम यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे wave nature of matter के बारे में. So you know the nature, the light के बारे में हम पढ़े. Light it is what? It exhibit which nature and wave nature of light also exhibit wave nature. Light also exhibit dual पार्टिकल नेचर. तो हम देखेंगे अब वेव नेचर ऑफ मैटर के बारे में. तो वेव नेचर ऑफ मैटर के बारे में डिस्कस करने के बाद हम आपको एक आउटपुट मिलेगा विद दिस रिकॉग्निशन. ओके, तो हम यहाँ पे देखना. सो ऑलरेडी हमारे को मालूम है लाइट इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी एंड इट्स नेचर इज पार्टिकल नेचर है कि वेव नेचर है. तो हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे लाइट एक्सिबिट द फिनोमेना सच एज reflection, refraction, interference, diffraction and polarization. So these are the phenomena in nature. These are phenomena which are explained on the basis of wave nature only by treating this light as treating as wave nature. So wave nature के मुताबिक यहाँ पे these phenomena exhibit होने लगते हैं. In case of ray optics, wave optics के बारे में है. तो reflection of light, refraction of light and interference, these are based on ray concept, and polarization and diffraction of light, polarization of light. So these are used in the case of light can be treated as wave nature. तो ये सब फिनोमेना कौन बताते बोले तो वेव नेचर. सो वेव नेचर ऑफ लाइट, लाइट का वेव नेचर के हिसाब से हम पढ़ते हैं. सो एज लाइट also light exhibit what हमारे को मिला है फोटोलिटिक इफेक्ट, क्वांटम इफेक्ट है, और so these type of particle nature of light. Okay, so these phenomena such as photolytic effect, quantum effect जो भी है, these phenomena are explained as light as particle nature. Okay, so light as a particle nature. This phenomena can be explained as particle nature in the form of what? This quanta, in the form of quanta nature, the quantum of energy, photon of energy. Thus, light exhibit dual nature. So, what is it use? एक बार वेव दे रहा है, एक बार पार्टिकल दे रहा है. इसका मतलब है कि sometimes behave as wave nature, sometimes behave as wave nature. यहाँ पे wave nature. Next one, I sometimes behave as particle nature. ओके, सो दोनों भी यहाँ पे दिखाई दे रहा है, बट नॉट एट साइमल्टेनियसली. दोनों भी एक बार नहीं दिखाई देता. समटाइम्स इन केस ऑफ लाइट नेचर, सम वेव नेचर, समटाइम्स इट कैन बी एक्सप्लेन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ पार्टिकल नेचर एज फोटॉन्स. ओके, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड पार्टिकल नेचर. मतलब है इट हैज ड्यूअल पर्पस. ओके, दोनों तरफ काम कर रहा है, बट एक ही जगह पे, नॉट एट साइमल्टेनियसली. बट विद दिस रिकॉग्निशन, what we conclude this one is the dual nature of light. So one scientist came in the year 1924. He made some suggestion that the de Broglie scientist, by name de Broglie scientist, popular modern physics scientist, in the 1924 he made some suggestion the moving that radiation has dual nature, then matter also has some dual nature. So how it is? That means, according to him, matter like electrons, the protons in the matter content, these are when these are in motion, wave properties will exhibit some under some suitable condition, and these are called dual nature of light. किसने बताया? De Broglie ने he made some suggestion that some of the matter of light, of some of the matter of particles, they can also exhibit as a wave particle when they are in motion. So these are called consideration. So what according to him is the wave which is associated with this moving particle, that are called matter waves. So जो भी matter के अंदर जो particles है, these are the particles which are in motion, होने लगते हैं motion के अंदर. तो अब हम क्या बोलेंगे वहाँ पे? These are called matter waves. Okay, sometimes it act as particle nature, sometimes it act as wave nature. ओके, पार्टिकल नेचर वेव नेचर कब दिखाता है? नॉट एट साइमल्टेनियसली, एक ही जगह पे एक बार नहीं दिखाता. समटाइम्स वेव, समटाइम्स पार्टिकल नेचर. व्हेन दे आर कंसीडर्ड इन टाइप ऑफ मैटर, व्हेन दे आर इन मोशन, these also can explain matter can also use the light as a dual character. वहां पे भी क्या है? dual character हो क्या आता है. That's why उसके लिए हम क्या बोलते हैं? wavelength which is associated moving particle called as wavelength. So hence we can write as a formula lambda is equals to h by p or h by mv. This is the de Broglie wavelength. It is important for 2 marks. Okay, remember students, we are going to discuss about 2 marks question यहाँ पे. Okay, accordingly we are going to derive the equation for de Broglie wavelength. Okay. ओके, देखो यहाँ पे आपको है डी ब्रोगली वेवलेंथ विच इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर 1 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन. ओके, तो 1 मार्क्स के लिए यहाँ पे पूछा जाएगा 1 मार्क्स के लिए. तो व्हाट इज डी ब्रोगली वेवलेंथ? इट इज द वेवलेंथ एसोसिएटेड विद मूविंग मटेरियल. जो भी मूविंग पार्टिकल्स के अंदर उसका वेवलेंथ एसोसिएट करता है व्हेन इट इज इन मोशन, दैट वेव इज कॉल्ड डी ब्रोगली वेवलेंथ. सो उसका इक्वेशन है लैम्डा इक्वल टू h by m into c. So c is in response to speed of light. Okay, so यहाँ पे हम velocity v2 तक ले सकते हैं. This is the equation for matter waves or de Broglie wavelength. Okay, so when we consider energy of each photon, okay, so the energy of photon is given by the energy of each photon is given by E equal to m into, so E can be written as h nu. तो h nu की जगह पे हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? E equal to hc divided by lambda. So give it equation number 1. यहाँ पे equation number first. Second पे आएगा energy. Okay, energy of photon आएगा. Therefore according to Einstein, okay, so according to Einstein's energy relation, Einstein's mass energy relation, okay, this is energy relation हम E equal to m into c square बेटा, equation number 2 बेटा. Okay, so दोनों की equation 1 and 2 ऐड करना. So ऐड करना मतलब by equating, so what it becomes, m into c square equal to hc divided by lambda. Right now, so यहाँ पे c get cancel हो जाए. Therefore m into c equal to h divided by lambda. So we want lambda as a wavelength. Therefore lambda equal to h divided by m into c beta. Okay, so therefore lambda equal to h by c is called de Broglie wavelength. Okay, so this is important for 2 marks. Okay, so we have to write. So इसके तरह हम डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स ऑफ डी ब्रोगली वेवलेंथ हम क्या करना है? डिराइव करना है इन टर्म्स ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी, इन टर्म्स ऑफ पोटेंशियल एनर्जी एंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. ओके, तो अदर फॉर्म्स हम 1 by 1 डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके, सो यहाँ पे देखना है इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है. Okay, so further we are going to start this other forms of de Broglie wavelength. So wavelength can be expressed in terms of different types. तो different types का wavelength हम कैसे मेंशन कर सकते हैं और क्या यहाँ पे हम एक बाय एक पढ़ना है. तो consider the lambda equal to h by m into c, right? So यहाँ पे equation number 1. So c is we call it as m into v, particular velocity. Therefore h by v. Equation number 1 दे दो बेटा. Right? So where kinetic energy, this lambda can be expressed in terms of kinetic energy of photon. Therefore kinetic energy of photon, so यानी कि light, kinetic energy of particle, kinetic energy of a particle is given by Ek equal to what? 1 by 2 mv square, equation number 2, right? So comparing, you have to put the value for here as Ek is equals to 1 by 2 mv square equal to, therefore mv square equal to what? 2 times of Ek. So 2 Ek, equation number. Therefore I want mv, therefore remove the square root here. So mv equal to square root of 2 Ek. Ek यानी कि काइनेटिक एनर्जी 2 Ek. ओके, सो इससे पहले हम डिवाइड एंड मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो ओके, ऑन स्क्वायरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड. ओके, ऑन स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड बाय m. तो मल्टीप्लाई करो m स्क्वायर b स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 2m Ek. बोथ साइड हमको m चाहिए, तो हमको क्या करना है, m को डिवाइड करना. ओके, देयरफॉर mv स्क्वायर. ओके, तो m होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 2m Ek. देयरफॉर mv इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2m Ek kinetic energy. Therefore what is value of mv? 2m Ek, square root of 2m Ek. So again put in the equation over. Therefore from equation 1, therefore lambda equal to h divided by square root of mv के जगह पे क्या पुट करना है, h by 2m Ek. So this is the equation number 3. This gives kinetic wavelength in terms of kinetic energy, de Broglie wavelength in terms of kinetic energy of a particle. Okay, so further we have other forms. Okay, so this is first form. Second form में हम क्या एक्सप्रेस करेंगे, de Broglie wavelength in terms of potential difference and in terms of kinetic energy. Again, second one, when a charged particle of charge q is accelerated through a potential difference v volt. Okay, आपको एक पार्टिकल है चार्ज नाम का, so q, the potential difference how it is v volt. Then kinetic energy of particle. What is kinetic energy of particle in terms of wavelength, de Broglie wavelength. हम kinetic energy of particle हम E k equal to q into v बोल सकते हैं सर. So then we have to express the lambda. So lambda h by, we know the particle energy. तो ऑलरेडी हम डिराइव करें, सो है स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2m Ek बोलते हैं. सो राइट, Ek मतलब क्या है, the quantity which is charged particle and with a potential difference v. Therefore lambda equal to h divided by square root of 2m q into v. So this is the potential difference in terms of wavelength. So lambda can be expressed in terms of potential difference. So our उसके बाद third one. So when third equation when used according to kinetic theory of gases, gases, what we can write the energy of each particle, the average kinetic energy of molecule. The average kinetic energy, that is average kinetic energy is Ek equal to 3 by 2 kT. So according to kinetic theory of gas के अंदर, तो each molecule का particle की energy कितना रहेगा, 3 by 2 kT. So henceforth we can write the energy, kinetic energy in this equation. Therefore lambda equal to h divided by square root of 2m 3 by 2 kT. Okay, so 3 by 2 kT. Okay, so 3 kT by 2. So 2 get cancelled. You know 3m kT. Therefore lambda equal to h divided by square root of 3m kT. This is the kinetic energy of particle of gas according to average kinetic energy, you can write de Broglie wavelength in terms of this amount, that is h by p by 2 m kt. Next, potential difference h by 2 m kt. Kinetic energy of particle this much. Equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3. You have to remember for exam purpose. Okay, this is your de Broglie of a matter wave traveling in motion as matter particles. Okay, with this we conclude your chapter. Therefore आपको जो भी डाउट है पूछते जाना है. ओके, सो हमारे फिजिक्स चैप्टर को हम फर्स्ट को ड्यूअल ऑफ प्लेटफॉर्म यहाँ पे एंड करेंगे. अदरवाइज वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस ऑफलाइन क्लासेस एंड हम यहाँ पे और थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम्स डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके, तो डू योर वेल. थैंक यू.